my best to recall. This city can be hard and unforgiving.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. I'm a mother, I'm a wife. 95% of the time I don't look like this, I tell you. I'm a model and an actress, YouTuber, blogger, vlogger, but above all else, I am what? I am a makeup addict, and that is why you are what? That is why you are here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, when I tell you I've had such a week. Adrian has had such a week, poor boy. He got a little bugaloops from his nursery. So when I tell you I was panicked, but everything is, under control, I thought. And then he ran into the wall and then busted his lip. I was like, what is this? Then Ula comes to me and it's like, Fumi, I feel a little queasy. I said, you know what? You gotta take care of yourself. Alrighty, so what can I tell you, my loves? Exciting, exciting. New palettes. Yes, darlings. Bada bing, bada boos. Guess who this is? TATI, darling. TATI Beauty. Before we even get into anything, doesn't TATI look good? She looks fabulous, my darling. And then look at the stuffing. The packaging came in. I love this texture. I just love it. I love. It's very fabulous. So this was the packaging, and of course it just came like in a plain box like so that nobody steals my stuff. But then again, that would never happen. Not anymore. You know why? Because Ula has made some more money and we've moved to a bigger house. He doesn't want his colleagues to know. So, yeah. Let me say this. TATI, my love. TATI is a YouTuber, fellow YouTuber. And she came out with pills. Talking about you've got to be gorgeous. Or like she is one of those where you've got to be gorgeous from the inside. And then everything on the outside will take place. Guess what? I don't have time for that. From the inside. I want to mask and camouflage and deceive all of you all with makeup. So TATI, I am so happy that you came out with this palette, my darlings. This is the palette, and let me just read for you. TATI Beauty Volume 1, and it says, I think that this is the neutral palette. So she's coming out with a whole bunch. TATI Beauty Volume 1, and she's going to come out with a whole bunch of palettes. So we're going to stack them. Volume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20. And that is what it is. But like I said, I was like, TATI, I get you. I did a sister to sister on the pills because I just was not feeling it. I still don't. It's not that I don't want to feel good on the inside. That takes time. I don't want to waste my time. I want to feel good on the outside and mask what I'm feeling on the inside until I can sort that out. You see? So instant gratification to me is makeup. Makeup. Yeah, I can live with that. So, like I said, she came out with this beautiful palette. I love the packaging. I have to say that off the back. It's very dense. It's very solid. I love the simplicity of it. That is very much TATI's aesthetic. It has a fabulous mirror right here. Let me just turn it around. Yeah, I might as well show you. Shoot. Beautiful, nice, yummy mirror. I love it. It's very, very solid. You can see all my finger marks because of course I used it, and this is the look, my darlings. And then right down here we have all of the shades. And what she did, because I watched her introduction video yesterday, I love to watch introduction videos to MUAs that are launching their collections or they're launching new palettes, because it gives a perspective, gives a story, just the way I had my collab with Juvi'a, and I had to tell you the story, the names behind it, blah blah blah, the reason why. So hence the reason why she created the palette with Seed Beauty out in Los Angeles. They are fabulous. If I ever have a brand, I will go with Seed if I can afford it. All right, so she has the black and she has the brown, the orange, the tan, the white, and the burgundy. And what she did was that she went on to have the metallics, the satin, as well as the matte. This is what she felt was necessary. She had been thinking about this, she said, for about 7 years, and she said that, you know, sometimes when you get a good matte, you get a good glitter, you say to yourself, oh my god, I wish I could get this same shade, for example, in a sequin. So as you can see, she's got the matte, she's got the sequin, she's got the metallic, she's got the glitter, and right down here she has storm, she has aura, she has poet, different moods for all of the colors. And so my darlings, before we even get into how I feel about this, we are going to just fall all the way back. Sit back, grab your girlfriends, get a drink, and I am going to go through this makeup tutorial for you. And then after that, we are going to talk about the palette a little bit more, and we're going to find out if this look and if this palette and if Tati Beauty is finally F.D.V approved, because the last time she wasn't. It is what it is. So sit back, my loves. I'll be back with you in a few. Mama, 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 mama. Bye.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're don't know who you're going to be, who you're going have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
Hello, darling.
Hi, Ronnie.
Oh, you're feeling sorry.
Yes, I know. I'm almost done though. Do you like this shadow?
No, let me see how you're working it. It's quite cute. I like the glitter. I like the shine. Definitely there.
It's a new palette.
Okay, go to work. We'll talk later.
Holla back.
Yeah, I'll call you back.
Okay, bye.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're going don't know who you're going to meet.
Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? I love a lot. Let me go through the palette. It came out last year. When the palette came out last year, I was in LA and I had a lot of excess luggage. I came to Los Angeles with 4 suitcases. I have a baby. I left with 14. So I was not trying to get any more makeup, and I kept on getting, I got an agent. Yes, Socialabs, I love them. And I got so much PR that I didn't dare get one more palette. So I said, let me wait until we come back to London. When we got back to London, we had to move right away, you know. So hence, I ordered it and it came in the mail. So what can I tell you? Genius. But I didn't expect anything less from Tati. I think that's why I was like, huh? When she came out with the pills, because I was like, I know Tati's going to come out with some good stuff. This palette has fast become one of my favorites. I don't pop out this berry lip gloss just for any kind of palette. I really don't. When I pop it out, that's glam. That's bringing out the, peacock feathers, the high heels, and they kill me. That's bringing out the manicure, the pedicure, the hair. That's bringing out everything. This palette is beautiful. Let me start by saying the glitter is gorgeous. The shift of it, and you will get the best out of it when you use your finger. You can put it on with your brush. I was impressed. I was like, bitch. Beautiful. But when you put it on with your finger, everything. I tried to use a little bit from everywhere because I just really wanted to see how it looked on the eyes, and it just gave me glam. The kind of glam that I'm used to. Price point, not bad. Not bad at all. I think that it is absolutely worth it. Congratulations, Tati. Tati has said many a time that she would love to start a family. I wish you so much luck, and it will happen for you. I cannot wait for you to be a mom. When it comes to you being a brand owner and coming out with beautiful palettes, you are absolutely F.D.V approved. This is a gorgeous palette. I love the mirror. I love the glitters. I love the metallics. I love the sequins. I love the theme of it. I love the fact that you had all of these textures in one shade. It just gave me life. The one and only thing that I would say that I wish that she had was a black glitter, because it kind of teetered off into gray. You see what I'm saying? And like it kind of like iridescent, over here, there, which I love, because you can get that beautiful 3D smoky eye. Love. I'm going to try that. But I want to see a black glitter that would give me life. Very pigmented. I was so impressed and surprised. And as you can see, I loved Poet, I love Berry, I love Red, I love all of those, you know, shades. And this was it. This is it. Highly recommended. You're going to get a lot out of this. And I tell you this, you know, I'm a hooded eye girl. The glitter didn't shift. Can you believe it? This stayed put. And then I used the color right here. Let me just see what it's called here. Aura. Yes, I used Aura as a lid liner. Life. Absolute life. So that is it, darlings. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And I will be back soon with some more fun stuff. Adrian's room is finally done. So you're going to be able to see that. Yes. And his playroom, of course. And then I'm going to film this room twice because it's a studio as well as a beauty room. So I'm going to show you how I feel. Yes, darlings. Alrighty. You take good care of yourselves. Stay positive and shed light and sunshine to others. It will make you feel good. Okay? Love you. Bye.